What's up, guys? So, I just picked this up from Target. It's an exclusive. Um, Very excited. My wife earlier this week sent me a link saying, "Hey, do you want this Ecto-1?" I'm like, I looked at it. It was really nice, but I said, "Look at the site." I said, it's a fake site. It's like a scam. It's not legit. This and that. They just want you to steal your money." Because okay. But lo and behold, um, I remember hearing about this one coming out, and I was like, let me pick it up. Let's see if I can get it. And I got it. I was able to get it. So when you pull it out of the box, it comes out like this. Very cool. Trusty little X-Acto knife right here. Okay, don't cut at home like the way I do, but I'm just being fast. It's very simple. A lot of little rubber band thingies. And 2, 3, 4. One on the hood. The one on the hood is very tight. I'm just trying to be careful not to scratch it. So there it is. There it is. Check that out. So, I don't have a meter stick, but there's an 18-inch ruler I picked up. So it is about a little bit under 14 inches. But look at this. Look at that. Look at the detail on this. This is awesome. Hello, Ecto-1 Hasbro Plasma Series. They did a good job on this one. It's not dirty. Not enough mud. We need some mud and grime underneath here. Other than that, see, these doors open. Doors open. Look at that. Okay. Same thing here, I believe. Or it's just one side. Nope. Oh yeah, there you go. That side opens. This one. So it looks like the driver's side opens, passenger rear opens, but the driver's, no, that doesn't open. So there's that. Okay, and here this goes, I'm assuming it goes there. But before I put things down, I always want to make sure I got everything. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this will go there. Just snaps right in. And you have the extra pieces like the ladders, all the other good stuff. Oh, look at that! The remote control PKE meter. Ladder. Goes there, goes there. Hoses go there. It's pretty much what I'm doing right now is just not reading instructions. You know, if you make a toy for me where I don't have to read instructions and I can figure things out, then that's a great toy. That's all I gotta say. Okay. That goes there. That goes there. I am just looking for holes to plug these into. Let's see. Okay, maybe I need some help. Let's see where we are. All right. Now I'm just gonna look at pictures. This looks like it goes here somewhere. Oh, right there. Duh. Okay. This goes in the back corner. Right there. Three of them. So there's supposed to be okay, so these ones actually have indentions in them. So make sure you're putting them in the right spot. That one goes there. This one goes there. this one goes here. Oops, popped out. But that's it. This is the last piece right here. If I can push it in. There you go. It's in. Goes in there. That's it, people. All done. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Does this pop open? Trunk does pop open. Ta-da! And this is where your little rolling PKE meter goes into. Or your ghost trap. There it is. Right in there. So that's it, you guys. Oh, wait, hold on. So the door pulls. Oh, see that? Pulls out. And then you slide it back in. Cool. That's it. So, there it is. Ecto-1 Plasma Series. It is a beaut. For $49.99, Target exclusive, I think it's worth it. Okay, talk to you later.